The success of Malone's Collision Repair didn't happen overnight. It took us over 25 years, from starting in Mom's garage, building up to where we are now. Malone's Collision Repair has built a solid reputation in the community through our hard work and honest repairs, and would like to thank all of our loyal employees and customers, past, present, and future, for entrusting us with your vehicles. Equipped with the latest technology, the quality and timeliness of our work is unparalleled. Get your repairs done right the first time at Malone's Collision Repair in Salinas.